Assalamualaikum and greetings. We are Group 20 and today we will be presenting our project titled Statistical Analysis of Vehicle Registration Trends and Preferences in Malaysia between the year 2000 to 2024. Here are our group members. In this project, we explore how vehicle registrations and consumer preferences in Malaysia have changed over time. We notice rising trends in total car registrations, increasing use of eco-friendly vehicles, and shifting preferences between local and foreign brands. To understand these patterns, we tested 3 key hypotheses, looking at the overall trends, adaptation of hybrid and EV cars, and changes in brand preferences over time.
Next, let us look toward the dispersion analysis on the data from 2000 to 2024. From the graph, we can see that the car registration in Malaysia rose significantly. Although there were small drops in 2006, 2016, and during 2020 to 2021 due to the pandemic period, the overall trend still remained upward. Next, the eco-friendly vehicles including electric, hybrid, and others also increased. They made up 3.62% of total registration in 2000 and reached 11.47% in 2024 with a peak of 12.19% in 2013. Lastly, local car brands dominate in 2000 with over 80% market share, but this declined below 50% between 2012 and 2016. By 2024, local brands recovered slightly to 59%.
Hello everyone, I'd like to talk about the trend of car registration from 2000 to 2024. Our null hypothesis is no significant trend, while the alternative claims an increasing trend. We use the least square method to check the slope. The calculated slope is about 14,000. This positive slope shows a clear upward trend, so we reject the null hypothesis. At the same time, through the data picture of the survey, we can also clearly see the slope is rising. In short, car registrations significantly increased in these years.
Today, we look at the adoption rate of eco-friendly cars, electric, hybrid, natural gas in Malaysia from 2000 to 2024. We have 2 hypotheses. H0 claims no significant change in adoption rate beta 1 equal to 0, while H1 suggests there is change. Data shows fluctuation during this period. We used the least square method for analysis. We calculate beta 1 and correlation coefficient R. R ranges from -1 to 1. Closer to 1 means a stronger linear relationship. We also calculate the test statistic T. If the p-value from T distribution is lower than 0.05, we reject H0 supporting H1. If p-value larger than 0.05, we cannot reject H0. That's all.
I am going to talk about local versus foreign car preference in Malaysia. Our studies say Malaysian consumer preference for local car brand Proton Perodua versus foreign brand Toyota, Honda, etc. significantly changed from 2000 to 2024. The null hypothesis posits that there was no significant shift in the preference. Mathematically, B1 equal to 0 in the regression model. The alternative hypothesis H1 suggests a significant trend, which is By is not equal to 0. Using simple linear regression or LS method, we analyzed initial registration data and found statistically significant negative slope. B1 is equal to negative 0.05, where P is equal to 0.02, indicating the local brand lost 0.5% market share per year on average. The strong negative correlation R equal to negative 0.5 R squared equal to 0.72 confirm a robust downward trend, and the t-test equal to negative 2.36, where the degree of freedom is 23, critical value is 2.069 at A, equal to 0.05, led us to reject the hypothesis. This suggests a clear decline in local brand dominance, further supported by January 2025 registration data, where foreign brand Toyota 80%, Honda 10%, collectively held 28% market share, surpassing the local brand Perodua 12%, Proton 9%, at just 21%. The finding implied that Malaysian consumers are increasingly favouring foreign car brand, raising concern for local manufacturer and policymakers aiming to sustain the competitiveness in the automotive sector.
To conclude, our study found that vehicle registration in Malaysia has risen steadily from the year of 2000 until 2024. It is mainly due to economic growth, a better access to car financing, and increasing urbanization. As more people moved towards the cities and their incomes has improved, owning a car became more practical and achievable for them. At the same time, the adoption of eco-friendly vehicles grew. It is driven by stronger environmental awareness and government incentives promoting green technology. When we looked at brand preferences, foreign car brands gained more attention because of their advanced features and better quality. However, in recent years, local brands have started to recover, all thanks to their improvised designs that they produced recently. Altogether, these patterns show how Malaysia's automotive landscape continues to evolve with changing consumer needs and broader economic and environmental shifts.